Sobrang mararamdaman mo at the same time, may expect mo yung confidence ng bawat dancer at saka estudyante. It's not every day you get to see different kinds of dancers na naglalabas ng kanya-kanyang expression and emotion and basically artistry.
As a coach, I am very excited and I'm very honored that I am a part of the very first Fallout concert. And since I am a teacher, I'm very honored that I can impart my experiences and my ideas to my students.
Expect na ito ay pinaghandaan ng students. They really trained for this and they really wanted to show this and share it to their family, to everyone. That's the purpose of the camp. Okay na may pakita kung ano yung naging resulta nung pinaghirapan nila for the whole 3 months of training.
Without dance, walang kulay mundo eh. And without dance, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng emosyon, ng saya, and kayo mismo, to every family member out there na nandito na manonood at susuportan, thank you so much. Kailangan nila yon at deserve nila yon. They deserve all the love and support in the world, and dahil rin sa inyo, pinopursue nila to. Hindi lang nila ginagawa to for nothing, ginagawa nila to para sa sarili nila, para sa inyo, and basically for dance.